Good afternoon. My name is Anthony. We are in Auto Expo 2016 IGUS booth now. So IGUS is a more than 15-year-old company in India. Basically, its headquarters is in Cologne, Germany. In India, we started the year 2000, and we have basically three product lines. One is called Drytech bearings. Drytech bearings are self-lubricated polymer bearings for rotary, linear, oscillatory applications. So why we are here in Auto Expo? Many of our Drytech polymer bearings are being used in automotive products like scooters, bikes, cars, trucks and various types of vehicles. So the main advantage what we offer to the automotive industry is weight reduction. That means one metal bearing is equal to more than 7 IGUS polymer bearing. So a lot of weight reduction is being done. So lot of fuel is saved. Another point is that it is self-lubricated. You don't have to lubricate our bearings. So that means the lubrication points can be avoided in vehicles. So self-lubricated bearings can be used. You can save a lot of oil plus a lot of money also. Another advantage what we offer is high wear resistant material. Some of our bearings are much wear resistant material than the corresponding metal bushes. So we give a lot of good applications to automotive applications where they face wear problem by using the metallic or sintered bronze bearings. So another area where we want to concentrate is cost reductive exercise. So IGUS products cater to main two advantages. One is technological advantage, another is cost reduction exercise. We ensure that either one of these advantages are met when we approach any technical solutions in the industry. So now I will briefly explain our product ranges. Here you can see various types of igloo door bearings. In IGUS we are continuously developing new products, and over the past years we have developed more than 50 varieties of plastic bush bearings to cater various applications: chemical resistant, wear resistant, temperature resistant, load bearing capacities. So like that many applications are there. Here I would like to explain you IGUBAL spherical bearings for oscillatory, linear and rotary applications. So here you can see our other product line which is called Drylin linear bearing solutions. These are self-lubricated linear bearing solutions which do not require any lubrication and which can work very high speed and acceleration applications. We also have linear modules which are exhibited here. Now we will go to our other product line which are into cable management solutions. IGUS is the largest supplier in the world for plastic cable carriers, cable management solutions. So here also we have a lot of automotive company solutions where the in robots we use multi-axial moving solutions where the cables need to be moved in different directions for the requirement. So we have special modules, robotic application modules for the automotive welding robots and other solutions. We also have very high flexible cables which is required for various applications, various moving applications. So all these products are specially manufactured for special bearing applications in automotive. Here also you can see various products in various accessories for automotive where IGUS bearings are being used. So IGUS in India with the office in Bangalore, we maintain huge stock. We have an express catalog program. Normally IGUS catalog is 4 times bigger than this. So for India, we stock huge stock in our Bangalore office and we maintain a catalog especially where the stocks are available. So all the listed products in this catalog are available ex-stock in our factory in Bangalore. So all these products when customers order, we are able to supply within 24 hours from our Bangalore factory. Thank you very much for visiting our stall. Thank you very much.